Alright, here we go. Box number 3 of the October 2020 baseball card break on sportscardclub.com. Up next, we have a box of 2020 Topps Stadium Club baseball. And here we're going to be looking for 2 autographs. There's a box loader in this too. I hate those things because they're a pain to figure out how to ship. But it is what it is. I'm actually the one that picked the cards this month. So, alright, let's see what we've got in the box loader first. Victor Robles. Victor Robles in the box loader this time. That's pretty cool. Going to Captain Kirk. Maybe they'll both go to Kirk. I don't know who had the other one, but alright, here we go. Pack number 1. Look at a base card here. Zack Greinke. And here we go. Alright. Aaron Nola, Willie Mays, Josh Staumont. Well, it doesn't help that I can't pronounce the names, and then now I can't see the names. Ernie Banks. There's a Ricky Henderson Bash insert, not numbered. Jake Fraley and Matthew Boyd. I don't know who has the Athletics. K-Pitt joining us this month with the A's. I can probably find you a trade for that Ricky Henderson. Jose Barrios, good grief. Ichiro, Tommy Pham, John Means, and Aaron Savali, Justice Sheffield. Let's see here. Red. I'm assuming it's some kind of red. It's not numbered, but a Justin Sheffield red. An Adalberto Mondesi and a Mike Trout base. Ahmad Rosario, Brandon Lowe, Ryan Zimmerman, David Ortiz, Tommy La Stella, a power insert of Gleyber Torres, Josh Rojas, rookie, and a Walker Buehler. Alright, Chris Davis, Victor Robles, Zach Gallen, Eduardo Escobar. Oh, our first hit right there. Willie Castro, rookie auto for the Tigers. Willie Castro auto for the Tigers. Hunter Harvey, red, rookie. Kerry Wood and Jake Rogers. All right, Elvis Andrus, Mitch Haniger, Pete Alonso, Gio Urshela, Andrew McCutchen, Dario Agrazal. I guess that's black. Dario Agrazal, rookie, black. Ted Williams and a Nolan Arenado. I don't know how rare the different colored names are. I'm assuming the red is not very considerable. We've already got 2 of them. Randy Arozarena, George Springer, Luis Arias, Sandy Koufax, Brian Reynolds, another Sandy Koufax in red, a Brusdar Graterol rookie, and a Nick Senzel. Graterol, shoot, I don't know. Kyle Lewis rookie, Al Colleen, Felix Hernandez, Miguel Sano. In the wings, Cody Bellinger. Insert. What's going on here? We get stuck. Emperors of the Zone, Stephen Strasburg. Insert. Christian Yelich. And Mauricio Dubon. Jose Altuve, Jesus Luzardo, Luis Castillo, Will Clark, Tyler Glasnow, Cody Bellinger red, Charlie Blackmon, and Hideki Matsui. Alright, halfway done. I've already got one hit out of the way. Carl Yastrzemski, Kyle Hendricks, Abraham Toro, Max Muncy, and Nick Castellanos Chrome. George Soler, black. Mark Canha, and Gleyber Torres. This is when it's nice to have someone else in the chat to look up, or someone who might even know what the different color odds are. Ryan Sandberg, George Soler, Seth Brown, Dario Agrizal, Jose Ramirez, Chipper Jones, red, TJ Zeuch, and Lance McCullers. Alright, Barry Larkin. We got a Keston Hiura, Jalen Davis, Mike Clevenger, Trent Grisham. Come on, these cards are sticky. Emperors of the Zone. That's the second one of those that was just stuck to the next card, so I don't know what they have on them. But Jacob deGrom and Austin Nola. David Dahl, Jorge Posada, Anthony Kay, Eugenio Suarez, Tim Anderson, Andrew McCutchen, red, Alex Bregman, and a Max Kepler. Alright, last stack. We still got an autograph to go. Eloy Jimenez, Yordan Alvarez, Wilson Contreras, Joey Gallo, Corey Kluber, a Fernando Tatis Bash insert, Bryce Harper, and Buster Posey. Cal Ripken Jr., Logan Allen, Mookie Betts, Matt Thaiss, Rod Carew. In the wings, Kyle Tucker insert, Mike Moustakas, and Edgar Martinez. 2 packs and 1 auto to go. Chipper Jones, Hunter Harvey, Josh Donaldson, Kim, we'll just say Kim, Matt Olson, Power Zone, Jeff Bagwell, Randall Critchick, and Luis Severino. Alright, I guess we're going to have last pack mojo. Anthony Rizzo, Willie Castro, Tony Gwynn, Ryu. Our auto is of Michael Baez. Michael Baez for the Padres, which is Lance. Michael Baez auto for Lance. We have a Mike Schmidt red, Vlad Guerrero, and a Brian Anderson. So again, our 2 hits. We had Michael Baez, rookie auto for the Padres. And a Willie Castro rookie auto for the Tigers.